Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Helldivers to request to error 0 status 504 error on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to check server status of Helldivers. So you should check the server status by visiting either official website or social platform or on Twitter or X, Discord, or you can go to downdetector.com that I have provided in the description for downtime or maintenance alerts. So copy this link and paste it in your browser, and after that check if there is any downtime or so. If yes, then wait for some time, and after that try to play the game again and check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to restart your PC or game. So for that, click on the start icon over here, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. So after restart your PC, now try to check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to wait and retry. So you are suggested to wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that again try to play the game or launch the game and check if the issue is resolved or not, as usually it takes some time to fix the issue. So you are suggested to wait for some time and then again try to play the game. Next is to check internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable. If there is any internet connection problem, then you can face such kind of errors. So you are suggested to check if there is any unstable internet, and if you are using Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data or do vice versa, and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So if you have downloaded the game, then go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to clear download cache. For that, open Steam, click on Steam option, then click on settings. Now go below, click on download, and after that here you need to click on clear cache. So this will clear the download cache of Steam, and after that try to launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. Next is to check for game update. So you should check if there is any update available for the game. You can find the update option over here. If there is any update available, you simply need to update your game, and after that try to check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to flush DNS. So first you need to open command prompt. So in the search bar, search for command prompt. After it opens, now you need to type the command prompt that I have provided in the description, and you should try all these command prompts, and after that restart your PC once and then check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to disable antivirus. So if you have any antivirus installed on your PC, you are suggested to disable it, because this can block the game and this kind of error can pop up. So you are suggested to disable antivirus program and also turn off any VPN or proxy if you are using. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely help to fix the issue you are coming across in Helldivers 2 game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.